Installing a grass collection system streamlines lawn care and improves the look of a yard. Welcome to WholeToolBox. Start by gathering the necessary tools for the project. You will need safety glasses and gloves for protection. Prepare a 1/2-inch ratchet drive and a 1/2-inch open-end wrench. You also need a drill with a sharp 5/16-inch bit, a hammer, a center punch, 2 C-clamps, and a pen for marking. Ensure the mower engine is off and the blades have stopped moving completely before beginning any work. If the mower has a deflector shield, remove it to make room for the new mounting bracket. Place the collection unit and the bracket together on the mower deck. Align the intake area of the unit with the discharge opening of the mower. Use a pen to mark the bracket placement on the deck. Secure the bracket with the C-clamps to prevent it from moving. Use the center punch and hammer to mark the drilling spots. Drill 2 5/16-inch holes through both the bracket and the mower deck. Insert the provided hardware and tighten it firmly to the deck. In some cases, an adapter kit may be required to ensure proper clearance from the rear wheels or other mower parts. To attach the collection unit, line up its mounting pins with the holes at the bottom of the bracket. Push the unit forward into place and lock the side tabs to secure it. Check the entire mounting area for any gaps where grass debris could escape. It is vital to verify that the bottom of the collection unit sits below the mower blades. Safety and maintenance are essential for long-term use. Always reinstall the deflector shield if the collection system is removed. To clean the equipment, use compressed air or a blower rather than high-pressure water to prevent corrosion. Finally, sharpen and balance the mower blades every 8 to 10 hours of use to maintain a clean cut and efficient airflow. For trusted lawn mower replacement parts and maintenance essentials, visit WholeToolBox.com. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to follow us on social media. Thanks for watching.